What I wanted to announce today is that I've been informed recently that I'm subject to a criminal investigation by the United States government as part of its case against former Judge Abel Lemus. I have not been given specifics as to the accusations against me. As such, I cannot fully explain or rebut the allegations at this time. I do know that I am being accused of exercising my judgment as district attorney in exchange for pecuniary interests. I want to unequivocally state that during the 7 years that I've served as county and district attorney, I have always acted with only the best interests of the people of Cameron County in mind and have never attempted to use this office for my own financial gain. The Lemus investigation is at least 3 years old. I question the timing of any indictment issued in the days immediately preceding the May 14, 2012 commencement of early voting in the primary election in which I seek your vote for United States Congress. Over the past 14 years, I have served the community in various positions, culminating in my election as county and district attorney in 2004. I have earned the respect and trust of both the general public and the legal community with over a 99.5% success rate in the courtroom and approval ratings above 85%. I ask for that continued trust now. I am innocent and I am prepared to fight the anticipated charges with full vigor. I have full faith in my office and tenure as your county and district attorney, and I will be fully exonerated. I will not step down as county and district attorney, and I will finish my term that expires at the end of this year. Additionally, I will not quit the race for U.S. Congress, as I believe the choice of who's to represent new District 34 should be solely in the hands of the voters. I ask my supporters not to waver in their trust, and I ask the citizens of District 34 to wait until all the evidence is presented before making a judgment. That's all I have today. Thank you.
Mr. Villalobos, do you know when you expect to be indicted or if you will be indicted?
We'll handle these questions later, but we're going now to the federal courthouse to meet with pretrial services and to try to arrange a posting of bond, so he's not arrested at his house in front of his children or at the office here. We want to do it in a diplomatic type of fashion and in something that his family is not affected.
So you think his indictment is coming down today?
Probably sometime this week, possibly today.
So why would you go over today if you don't think it's going to be handed down today?
Well, we don't know. We don't control what the grand jury does. And all we want is we don't want him arrested in his office. And more importantly, we don't want him arrested in front of his wife and 2 children at night, so he has to go to jail. It's just not fair for the family.
Do you know what cases are being referred to in the indictment?
No, we do not.
Anything about the Easton case?
We know nothing about, it's a grand jury process. As you know, grand jury processes are confidential.
Are any of the current cases in jeopardy because of this?
We don't know. We don't know. You're going to have to ask the government that.
And do you know when Mr. Villalobos was sent a letter of intent or a letter acknowledging that he was under investigation by the FBI?
We'll deal with all those questions later. For now, we have a process to do, and Armando needs to, at this point in time, protect the office and protect the family, and that's the priority.
You'll still be serving as DA. You wouldn't have someone step in for you as you try to fight these allegations against you?
That's not necessary. Thank you. We'll be answering questions later. We'll give you our information. Excuse me. Perhaps today, tomorrow, we'll be answering your questions. We're not going to leave you out there wondering, so we'll deal with the questions, but we need to deal with the court process now. That's the most important thing. This was important to let you know what's going on. We need to finish the process. Not only is he a district attorney for your county, he's done a wonderful job, but he's a good husband and father, and we need to deal with those family issues.
What is your name, sir?
Joel Androphy and Sarah Frazier and Norton Colvin. We're going to represent Armando.
And do you have a number that you can be reached out?
713-529-5622 in Houston.
And you don't have a local number?
No.
Is that an office number or a cell number?
Office number.
Do you have a cell number?
Yeah, I do.
Will you give it to us?
I'll give it to you later.
And just to reiterate, DA,
Thank you very much.
You're not ending the race?
No, no. He is continuing on as the district attorney, and he's going to continue on as a congressional candidate. And his family's got full support of his family, his friends, his supporters. Life will go on in the DA's office. He'll be as successful in the DA's office now, as he has been in the past, this will not affect it at all, and you're going to be proud of Armando Villalobos as your DA.